Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x minus 14. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation. Question has given us this equation. 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x minus 14. Question has given us this equation and question is asking us just simply to solve this equation. Question is asking us only to solve this equation. Solve this equation means we need to find out the value of x. So let us try to solve this equation. So we can write the question like 5x plus 7 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 2x. That means 3x by 2. 3 into x is 3x divided by 2 minus 14. Or I can write 5x plus 7 by 2, or let us do like this, or I can write 5x is equal to 3x divided by 2 minus 14 minus 7 divided by 2. What I am doing here, I am just moving this 7 upon 2 to right hand side. That means transposing plus 7 by 2 from LHS to RHS. That means just transposing or moving plus 7 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Just moving plus 7 upon 2 to right hand side. So what we got? We got 5x is equal to 3x upon 2 minus 14 minus 7 upon 2. Or I can write 5x minus 3x divided by 2 is equal to minus 14 minus 7 divided by 2. So what I am doing here, I am just moving this 3x upon 2 to left side. So that means I am transposing plus 3x by 2 plus 3x divided by 2 or 3x upon 2 from LHS to RHS. Hope guys I am very clear till here. So what we got? We got 5x minus 3x divided by 2 is equal to minus 14 minus 7 upon 2. Now guys, let us just pay attention. This is most important steps. So what we can do now, or I can write 5x. 5x means I can write 5x divided by 1. For example, 2 divided by 1 is 2 itself. So I can write 2 as 2 divided by 1 also. So 5x, I am writing 5x divided by 1 minus 3x divided by 2. Similarly, 14, I can also write minus 14 divided by 1 minus 7 by 2. Hope guys, I am very clear till here. What I am doing here, for example, if I have just 2, I can write this one as 2 divided by 1. 2 means 2 divided by 1, or 2 divided by 1 is 2 itself, or 5 divided by 1 is the number itself. So this is what I am doing here. Instead of 5x, I am writing 5x divided by 1. Instead of 14, I am writing 14 divided by 1. Or I can write, you could see here the denominator is 2 and here also the denominator is 2. Now let us make this denominator 2. How we can make this denominator 2? That means we need to multiply 2 to this denominator as well as 2 to this denominator. If we are multiplying 2 to the denominator, we should also multiply 2 to the numerator. So let us do the same thing. That means 5x into 2 is equal to divided by 1 into 2. 5x into 2 divided by 1 into 2 minus 3x divided by 2. In order to make the denominators equal or denominators same, I am just trying to multiply 2 to the denominator 1 so that we can get 2. Similarly here 14 divided by 14 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 minus 7 divided by 2. Hope guys this step is very clear. Just I am making the denominator same. Or I can write 10x divided by 2 minus 3x divided by 2 is equal to minus 28 divided by 2 minus 7 divided by 2. So you could see that we got all the denominators as 2 on both the sides. On left hand side the denominators are 2 and the right hand side the denominators are 2. So that the LCM is 2 and we can easily solve this type of equations now. Or I can write 10x minus 3x divided by 2 taking LCM as 2. Similarly here minus 28 minus 7 divided by 2 taking the LCM as 2. Or I can write 10x minus 3x is 7x divided by 2. 10 minus 3 is 7, so we got 7x divided by 2 is equal to minus 28 minus 7 is equal to minus 35 divided by 2. Or I can write 7x divided by 2 into 2 is equal to minus 35 divided by 2 into 2. What I am doing here? Just multiplying both the sides by 2. Just multiplying both the sides by 2. Why I am multiplying both the sides by 2? Because I want to eliminate this 2 from the denominator. If I want to eliminate this 2 from the denominator, I need to multiply 2 to left side of the equation. If I am multiplying 2 to left side of the equation, I should also multiply 2 to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I am multiplying both the sides by 2. For that reason, I multiplying both the sides by 2. Or I can write now 7x is equal to minus 35x minus 35. How? These two cancels out, these two cancels out. So we got 7x is equal to minus 35 is equal to minus 35. Or I can write, what I can write? Or 7x divided by 7 is equal to minus 35 divided by 7. What I am doing here? Dividing both sides by 7. Dividing both sides by 7. Why I am dividing both sides by 7? I want to segregate, or I want to separate this 7 from x, or I want to remove this 7 from x. If I want to remove this 7, I need to divide this 7 by 7. If I am dividing left hand side with 7 or by 7, I need to also divide the right hand side by 7. For that reason, I am dividing both the sides by 7. Or I can write x is equal to, how? This 7 and this 7, it cancels out, is equal to minus 5. What we got? We got x is equal to minus 5. How? 7 5s are 35. So we got the value of x. We got the value of x is minus 5. This is our answer, guys. Question asked us to solve. Solve means we need to find out the value of x. So we got the value of x as minus 5. Hope guys you understood this. These are very simple and very straightforward equations. And just we need to solve this and we need to find out the value of x. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely, I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.